What's up, y'all? KC with Keeping Clean Mobile Detail, and I'm back again with another video. This morning, well, it's morning right now that I'm doing this video, but I just wanted to do an unboxing, man, of this, because a lot of people been asking me what extractor do I use, what steam cleaner do I use, what chemicals do I use. So I guess I'll start doing unboxing. Every time I get something, I guess I'll start doing an unboxing and posting it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you get everything on Instagram or Facebook. So go follow me at Keeping Clean Mobile on Instagram. I'll put it down in the description below. But let's get to opening this box, man. See what it is? Who know what it is? Because I know a lot of y'all have this in y'all arsenal, and a lot of y'all have the exact same thing in y'all arsenal, because this is my third one, I want to say. Don't mind the little junk behind me. I'm getting my garage together. I moved everything on one side of the garage, and I gotta go through it, what I'm gonna throw away, because the guys, as soon as he finished with my trailer, if you seen in the last video, I'm remodeling my trailer that I used to stay in, and we're gonna go ahead on and rent it out. But at the same time, he's gonna come once he finishes, or as soon as he get a chance, and paint the garage, and we're gonna be doing some things to the garage. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Here we go. As y'all can see, man, what that is. The McCullen. Yeah, I got another steamer. It's the McCullen, y'all. Another McCullen. Just let y'all know, man, it comes with all kind of attachments. A lot of them I don't use, but I would like to start using, like these. You know, they're good to use around the house and in the vehicles also, but most of us mainly use just this little tip here. I don't want to, well, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. A lot of us only use this. Where it went? Oh. Ah, man, it went all the way to the bottom of the box. But a lot of us don't use these, the brass. We'll use these, some of us, but I barely use those. That's little attachments. They come in handy, but I have, this is my third McCullen, by the way. I can't seem to keep the wire, the hose. This is the little cup you fill it up with, but I don't never use this either. I always use the still water. Make sure you use the still water in your attachments. I usually use one of them when I'm doing 18-wheelers. This is good when you're doing 18-wheelers, the long attachment, and big vans and things like that. We have the bag. It comes with the little bag for all your attachments. As you can see, we'll put that in there. Put it in a little bag. Nice little bag. Also this goes on here with your microfiber mop. It's good for doing your floors. But look how this one came, man, with all this stuff in it. We'll have to take all this out. I don't know what all that's about, but I'm gonna set that to the side. Also have these. Now I use these attachments right here. I use them. I use these on like the door where they have the carpet and stuff. I use these sometimes, but they get wore out real quick, especially when you're wetting them and stuff. It get wore out real quick, so they don't last real long. They don't last that long. With me, it don't. With you guys, it probably do. Cause my thing is when I finish and I'm trying to go to the next one, I just start throwing stuff, moving stuff, hurrying up, grabbing stuff. That's how a lot of my stuff break. But I told my wife this go around, man, I'm gonna start taking care of everything. You know, that's a big old thing. My wife be on me, man, cause I'm like, I don't be caring, man. You know, and it's money, you know. Like I can get another one, it's only $100, but you know, that's $100 I done work for. That's a whole car and dead that I gotta replace a steamer, you know. And I could have called and, you know, request for a hose or whatever, but I be feeling like, you know, it ain't worth it. Just get a new one. You know, that's my mentality. And I had that bad, and I have to stop that, man. Wow. This is one that we use a lot. A lot of us put it on a towel, put a towel around it, you know, so it won't damage anything. We put a towel around it and go ahead on and do the seats. Especially when they're leather, it's good to have this around so you won't be putting that much heat on the leather seats. It's always good to have use some towels with a rubber band to wrap around and wrap it around. You know, to each his own how you do it, but that's just a little tip how I do it. And also it keeps this from, because once all that dirt go to getting in here, it looks real nasty. But this is one of the tools that we use a lot in detailing with this steamer. This also one we use like getting in the plastic, in the next up on that plastic, especially when you're doing carpets. This is a good tool to use. So I use this one a lot also. But I just wanted to show y'all, man, you know, I got a new steamer for those who've been asking what steamer I use. I use the Harbor Freight steamer. Also, I have one in the van now. I had didn't want to wait for another McCullen, so I just went to Harbor Freight and got me one for like $99, $79 if you're a member or something like that. So I do use the Harbor Freight when I don't have the X5000. I do not have it because for me the price is kind of like outrageous, and you get the same results. To me, this is my opinion, you get the same results with this steamer here or the Harbor Freight steamer. But like they say, a commercial steamer is better because it's labeled as a commercial steamer. Yes, I can take this out. All right. This is the 1375. So, yes, sir. I didn't get the $200 one. Like I said, man, I destroyed them. So therefore, I was like, man, I'm gonna just get the one I had at first, save a few dollars, and got this one. Because all you're doing is steaming. They all do the same damn thing to me. But this tip right here is the tip that we use a lot, getting in the vents and what have you. We use this a lot. I'm gonna put the other piece up. Put the other piece up. Okay, here you go. Always make sure that snap into that little piece. Push, and it comes off. Push it on, make sure it clicks. And this little piece here, go right up on there into the shape, just like that there. But this is a good steamer. You're not doing restrooms, no commercial stuff. This is a good steamer for car detailing. And little things around the house like the shower, around the sink, of course with those other attachments, it's real good. But my thing is, with the first one I had, I took and didn't use distilled water, and after 2 weeks, because I was using it a lot, and after 2 weeks, man, I seen the inside of the tank was corroded. I mean, from that bad water and the heat. And one time I was doing a vehicle and I didn't use the distilled water, and I went to press it, and when I pressed it in the inside of the vehicle, and I'm talking about I hadn't used it in a couple of days or so, so I don't know if that water hadn't got thick in there or what took place. I'm not a chemist, but I don't know. I know when I squeezed it to, get the water out to get the steam, man, you should have seen that shit that hit the people dashboard. I had to clean that shit up, man, and that wasn't nice at all. So the next one I got, man, I learned, of course, watching videos of YouTube, and that's why I appreciate YouTube, man, and I appreciate a lot of you guys. I watch YouTube videos and they say use distilled water so your tank won't mold and, get all junk. But yeah, man, this is the 1375 McCulloch. And another thing, man, I do want to say, they do have a good customer service, man, because I called and I had lost this piece here. I had lost this on my last one, and the lady was good about the part number. She was like, if you can give me the part number, I can get it out to you. And I didn't know it, but I sent her a picture, and man, they got it out to me, man, quick as possible, man. So they do have a good customer service, and that's what made me deal with these people again, because of the customer service, man. And that's why I tell a lot of people, a couple of y'all I done talked to, that's why I tell y'all, your customer service of your business is you. I don't know. I'm my customer service of my business, because I wear all the hats. Like I told y'all before, I wear all the hats in my business, man. My wife, you know, take a little slack off me with doing things here and there. But for the most part, man, I wear all the hats. And I'm learning as I go, man. You know, so if I learn something and I can help you, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to sit here and be like, 1 minute I'm helping you and the next minute, you know, you following me and things of that nature, and now I want to charge you to help you. No, man, let's each one teach one. You know what I mean? Now, I've been stressing that, and that's why a lot of y'all fuck with me and a lot of y'all don't mess with me. And I'm all right with that because I know what I stand for. You know what I mean? I stand for the good. I stand for the real, man. I'm real all the way through. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that know me, they know, man, KC real. My jacket, A+, you heard me? But at the same time, you know, I ain't here to prove nothing to nobody. You know what I'm saying? If you want to follow me, go ahead on and follow me. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If not, I'm cool with it. I hope you got something out of the video. And there's more to come. And maybe I'll show y'all what I do and how I do it with this McCullen steamer. You don't have to buy all the expensive stuff starting out on your business, man. If you have the money, get what you can get at the best price you can get it. That's gonna do the job. You know what I mean? You only detailing with the steamer, then this is a good steamer to get. This is a good stock steamer to get. The one at Harbor Freight is even good. It's good. Harbor Freight has some good stuff. If you take care of your stuff, man, you won't have to worry about buying more and more and more like me. I'm one that can admit I didn't take care of this. When I go to finishing a job and I'm trying to get to the next job, I go to throwing shit back on my van, man. Excuse my French. I go to throwing it back on my van. That's why it broke. You know what I mean? I didn't put the hose right and the hose yanked out of the van. So, you know, that's what happened. That's that. But at the same time, man, I appreciate y'all. If you subscribe, I appreciate you. If I'm not subscribed to your channel and you subscribe to mine, man, it's free. So I will subscribe to you. All you gotta do is let me know. Hey, K, hit me up. I'm not subscribed to you. You're not subscribed to my channel. I'll subscribe, man. I ain't got no problem with it. Y'all be cool, keep grinding, and stay up, man. I'm a big stepper out here.